Types of steel sections. I sections. For I sections there are universal beams and universal columns. A universal beam, also known as an I-beam, consists of two horizontal plates called flanges connected by a vertical component called the web. The flanges primarily resist bending forces, while the web resists shear forces, making this I-shape highly efficient for carrying both bending and shear loads in construction applications. Due to their strength and efficiency, universal beams are widely used in construction for supporting floors, roofs, bridges, and building frames. U-beams have an I-shaped cross-section, meaning they are taller than they are wide. This shape is optimized for resisting bending forces, making them ideal for horizontal applications like supporting floors and roofs. UCs have an H-shaped cross-section, with equal or nearly equal height and width. This shape provides greater resistance to axial loads, compression or tension, and torsion, making them suitable for vertical applications like columns in buildings and bridges. Other steel sections include channels or C sections, angles or L sections, Ts or T sections, hollow sections, both rectangular, square, and circular sections.